My name is Vineet. I lead the digital transformation at Vedanta Resources. The topic which I was covering today was importance of data in the metal mining and manufacturing industry and how it impacts that. That was the topic I was covering today. Key takeaway, I think it was a very curious crowd. I realized that a lot of people don't understand how a metal mining and a manufacturing company works. And data is so important there also. And the kind of stuff which we are doing, the kind of solutioning which we are doing, it's actually one of the best, right? We talked about metaverse and all that. And people didn't realize that at a core manufacturing industry, these things are happening. As I said, right, metaverse is one area which I feel is going to bring a lot of different benefits to the industry. One couple of use cases. If few people they have to just go to the mines and they have to visit the mines virtually, they can actually just wear something like a HoloLens that can automatically connect with the nearest available drones, and the drones can navigate, and two people talking as if the drones will also move around and they can do it. Another use case can be if there is a fire and in case you have to, instead of sending human, if drones can go there and identify the source of fire, I think that is another. So many use cases around metaverse is which I see is going to happen. AI, ML, those things are anyway applied at many different places. We are making sure that our assets perform to the best, they are available to the maximum availability improves, the defect reduces, the throughput increases, maximizes, the cost is reduced, and everywhere I think all these technologies are applied. That's the way I see that. So the key challenges on applying AI is, first is data. Lot of things are still, we are moving, we are making applications and organization touchless. That means there are places where data is currently it is in form of logbook, or traditionally that has been done in any manufacturing sector. So lot of focus is on making sure the data is getting digitized. So that's a first big challenge in any manufacturing sector which I see that. Second is, once the data is there, data cleansing and applying that, building the models around that, that's another part of it, which I see is happening a lot, and we are trying it a lot. So I think these are the two things: first, availability of data, and then second, how to utilize and consume the data. These are the different things, because a lot of people believe that data can't solve, because if somebody is working in a core manufacturing industry and they have been doing that for 20-30 years, if somebody comes, a young kid comes and tells them, this is how I can solve the problem, it's hard to believe, right? So I think those are the two challenges, where first we have to convert the data from bring it or make it touchless or a paperless, moving it from a paper to a digital format, and second, how to consume the data. It was great. I know I was thinking, okay, how people will understand, because a lot of people are curious about manufacturing and they believe, okay, manufacturing is not so cool, but at the end of it, and we had to literally stop people asking questions. I think that was very interesting, and that shows that there is a lot of curiosity. A lot of people are not aware that manufacturing industry can have so much of nice challenges, and it's so high tech as well as so fancy to work on. So that was the best part of it.